7 years, New York City has been home to more billionaires than anywhere else on the planet, with their net worth being $560 billion. Right now, there are 99 billionaires currently living here in 2021. And if that doesn't surprise you, would you be shocked to learn that there's nearly 1 million millionaires living here in New York? That's 1 in every 10 people are millionaires. I know, I'm jealous too. In fact, to even qualify to be in the top 1% of earners here, you have to earn $1.55 million. That is nearly double the national average of the rest of the country for the top 1%. I'm not even close to being a billionaire, but you know what? I want to know what it's like to live like one. So today, I'm going to be spending the day as a billionaire and seeing what it's like to live in the top 0.01%. I'm very excited to start this day. I've never experienced this, so bring it on. And the best way to do that is with a helicopter. How do billionaires get to New York? Well, obviously, they take a private helicopter. I'm gonna take one with Blade right now. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Let's go. We just got to the Blade Lounge. So this is the waiting area. They have a bar, they have magazines, they have views. Let's get on the helicopter. Oh my God, this is so cool. I love this. I can never come from the airport the same way again. That's it. If anyone wants to hire me for a private helicopter aerial tour, let's do it. We have Little Island over here. Now we're passing the financial district. This is New Jersey to this side. You can see some jet skis below us. Unreal, you guys. I think I'm gonna do this every time. I mean, listen, I have to become a millionaire quick because this is the life. Where else would a billionaire stay but of course on Billionaires Row here on 57th Street in Manhattan. And this night I'm gonna be staying at a very exclusive suite. I can't wait to show it to you. It is in the Park Hyatt, New York, and this is unseen by most of the world. So let's go inside and check it out. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. I can't wait to show you this room. It is extremely exclusive. We gotta go up many floors to get to it. Oh, hello, welcome to my $30,000 a night hotel room. Come in. I'm gonna give you a little tour of my room. This room does start at $30,000 a night, and as a billionaire, that's nothing. Come on, don't even worry about it. Let's start right around this corner. This is my own private living room. Beautiful art all throughout the space. Some of these pieces are originals and seen nowhere else, like this one right here. I have a big couch just to myself and a huge TV over there. And out this window, I can see Carnegie Hall, which was named after Andrew Carnegie. He actually invested in this. And he was one of the wealthiest people of all time. I feel like it's only fitting that from my $30,000 a night suite, I can see that beautiful building right there. We have a chandelier here, you know, of course we have a chandelier. We also have my own private bar. This is Waterford Crystal. One Waterford Crystal glass goes for around $100. Woodford Reserve. This is very pricey as well. I also have my own little kitchen with an espresso machine. Now, if I want, I can have a private chef cook me dinner. I mean, why not, right? Like when you're living the life of a billionaire, live it to the max. So we're gonna enter the master bedroom. This is my private closet dressing room area. I have one side, you know, for him, one side for her. You have a ton of shoe racks and all different types of drawers and hey. Hey. No one saw that. Let's continue. Okay. And here's the bedroom. A king-size bed. There's over 250 different art pieces in this hotel, by the way. And a fun little fact about this hotel, there's a little bit over 200 rooms, but almost half of the rooms are suites. So pretty much you could say this is just a hotel of suites, right? How sweet is that? Let's continue. Look at this view right here though. That is Central Park. I can see Central Park from my bedroom. Take a look at that view. All the way across. Central Park is the most filmed location on earth, and guess what else it's filmed in? This video, that's right. A very exciting feature, Central Park, right? Yes. We have Essex House right here. All these Art Deco buildings is so beautiful. This will blow your mind. In the sink, there's a dual sink. We have a TV in the mirror. Like, are you serious? I feel like I've been missing out on these luxury experiences my whole life. Watching Dr. Phil while brushing your teeth. I mean, come on. I think everyone deserves this life, at least for 24 hours. Look, the toilet opens on its own. This is a Toto toilet. These toilets cost around $6,000 per toilet. Like, wow. They also have all of these different options, rear cleansing, different forms of rear cleansing, front cleanse, wow. It's just different pressure levels, positioning, I mean, and there's a phone. I mean, I don't think anyone ever needs to leave this area, really. You could just stay right here the whole time. I love this shower. A mirror in the shower, it's a game changer. You don't realize you need a mirror in the shower until you get a mirror in the shower. And then your life is changed forever and you're like, wow, how did I survive without a mirror in my shower? There's a rain shower head here with a light. We have a regular shower head that comes off here. This is just the bathroom, but man, this is by far my favorite room here because of this beautiful tub with the Central Park views. Really doesn't get better than that. So obviously I need to change this look to something more appropriate for a billionaire, so let's get it started. Ah, that's better. Let's start the day as a billionaire. Though there are only 99 billionaires living in New York City, many of them started their own businesses by following their dreams. And as an entrepreneur myself, living a life like what I'm featuring in this video is definitely aspirational, and sometimes it can feel completely out of reach because of various challenges or barriers to entry in starting a business. And after interviewing many entrepreneurs on GoDaddy School of Hustle, I've learned the most common barrier to entry for entrepreneurs is lack of funding. If you find yourself in this situation, then I recommend checking out Clearco. It's the world's largest e-commerce investor and is backed by one of the entrepreneurs that I look up to, Gary Vee. They have something called Clear Capital. It is a growth capital that is used to scale a business while allowing the business owners to maintain 100% ownership and control. This is huge because most of the time when you get funding like this, you have to give up some control of the business. But that is not the case with Clear Capital. That means that you can keep as much business equity or ownership as possible. Plus, the capital has no interest, allowing you to stay out of extra debt. Check out more info about Clearco below, and thank you Clearco for sponsoring this video. So the best way to start your day when you're a billionaire? Shopping on Fifth Avenue, of course. There's really no better way to spend the day if you have all this money, so let's spend it!
I'ma spend. I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week. I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night. I'ma spend. I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week. I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night. All day and night. All day and night, all day and night, living life to the maximum, all day and
night. Now as a billionaire, I really want to dine at the best in the city. You know, I have the money to spend, so why not spend it? Right behind me is Brooklyn Fare. This is actually a supermarket. You might be thinking, why would a billionaire dine at a supermarket? Well, we would if there was a hidden 3-star Michelin restaurant inside. That's exactly what's inside here. It's called the chef's table. They don't allow filming. It's very exclusive, so I can't bring you fully inside, but I'm gonna show you some of the dishes when I'm dining there. It's $400 a person, which as a billionaire, that's probably nothing. I feel like they make that in a second, right? So why not? Let's go inside and experience it. The dining experience at Chef's Table was one of the most incredible experiences I've had in the city. It is 24 mini courses, including cheeses, soups, and desserts, and most of the dishes are fish and shellfish with the occasional meat course. But all of the food is inspired by Japanese cuisine with a French technique. Though it was $395 per person, I think this experience is absolutely worth it for a special night out with a loved one. The day has finally come to a close, but it can't come to a close as a billionaire like a regular person. That's crazy. So where am I going tonight? Hamilton. It's won 11 Tony Awards. It's impossible to get tickets to, except if you're a billionaire, because you don't mind paying the ridiculous price of the tickets resale. If you want to get these seats before they are resold, they cost around $849 a pop. But then you can buy them resale for anywhere 1,000 plus. It's gonna be an epic show. Let's go check it out. And with that, my day of living like a billionaire came to a close. The total cost for this day was $64,353. That is more than what 96% of the world makes in 1 year. Did I like experiencing the finer things for a day? Absolutely. However, it also made me realize that in the end, happiness is about spending time with those you love, good food, and great conversation. Money does not bring happiness, it brings security. And on that note, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, but I won't be a billionaire.